Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I post authentic Indian recipes and videos on Indian culture and crafts. In the Think India kitchen, we already made Indian flatbreads, roti and naan bread. So today I'm going to show you one more variation, which is none other than paratha. I'm going to show you the best street style boiled egg paratha with very less ingredients, yet tastes fantastic. This is going to be a quickest version. Let's get started. To make the dough, we need 2 cups of atta, 1 teaspoon oil, approximately 180 milliliters of warm water and half teaspoon salt. For the filling, we need 5 boiled eggs, 1 boiled potato, 10 grams of chopped coriander, and for the spices, we need half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, and 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. Now first let's make the dough. Today I'm using a food processor to knead the dough. Add atta, salt and oil. Close the lid and gradually add water. Once everything has come together, take it out, knead it once again, cover and keep it aside. Now let's make the filling. For that, grate the boiled eggs, grate the boiled potato. Now add all the spices, coriander, add the mayonnaise and mix everything well. Now form the balls out of the dough and filling. Take a medium-sized dough ball, roll between your palms and using your fingertips lightly flatten it. Place the egg stuffing in the center, take the edge and start pleating by bringing the pleats in the center. Join the pleats together and press it slightly. Now dust some flour and start rolling the paratha. Now heat up a tawa on medium heat and place the paratha. Cook it both sides by flipping in between. Brush little oil and cook until brown spots appear. Now let's see another method to roll the parathas. Roll out medium-sized dough balls with a diameter of 8 cm. Try to make both of same size. Place the egg filling on one of the rolled doughs in the middle and cover with the second dough. Seal the edges with your fingertips. Dust in dry flour and start rolling out. Now place the paratha on the tawa and cook it both sides by flipping in between. Brush some oil and cook it further until brown spots appear. The parathas are ready and serve them with pickle or raita. And how was that? It's very easy to make. You can add any spices of your choice to the filling and you can make it spicy or mild. It tastes absolutely fantastic anyway. I know most of you might be missing your favorite street food, so here it is. Make it at home and enjoy with your family and friends. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and namaste.